Question 7 says the curve has equation y is equals to 2 over x minus k, where k is a positive constant. Okay, sketch the curve of C. Show on your sketch. Okay, first sketch. Okay, we know that this is a reciprocal curve, so your curve looks like somehow this and this. Okay, now the first thing is, whenever we are supposed to look into the equation, first thing that we see is the equation of asymptote, and the equation of asymptote is whatever is this, so y equals to minus k. This is the equation of the asymptote. Okay, so let's make that. If you have this x and y axis, so this is going to be your minus k. Okay, we don't know of what is minus k. So but we know for sure that there will be some in the negative y. Okay, so we don't know what is k, but still it's this line. So how will we be making our curve? Your curve should be going like along this here, and on this side as well, like this. Okay, this is how your curve should look like. So this is your equation of the curve. Okay, so now they say show on your sketch the coordinates of any points of intersection with the coordinate axis. So on coordinate axis, where it is intersecting on x and where is intersecting on y axis, this is what we need to find. So for that we do y-intercept and x-intercept. So y-intercept, we put x equals to 0. So what is your equation? 2 over x minus k. So if we put x equals to 0, so it becomes 2 over 0, and that becomes infinity. So that means that we don't have any y-intercept. Okay, no y-intercept. What about x-intercept? Let's put y equals to 0. For y equals to 0, it will become 0 equals 2 over x minus k. So 2 over x becomes equals to k, and x becomes equals to 2 over k. So we get to know that when x is 2 over k, y is 0. So this is your x-intercept. So look for it. Here it is intersecting at x-axis. So it becomes, this is 2 over k comma x. Okay, so your x coordinate is 2 over k and y coordinate is 0. The equation of the horizontal asymptote to C, the horizontal asymptote to C is y equals to minus k. Okay, this is it. Okay, now what is the next thing? Stating each in terms of k. We stated each in terms of k. This is part A. Now part B says the line L has equation y is equals to minus kx minus 6. The line L intersects C at two distinct points. So there is some line that is intersecting the curve at two distinct points. It could be in any way. Okay, so find a range of possible values of k. So whenever you have any point of intersection, so you equate the two equations that are intersecting. So we have these two equations, 2 over x minus k and minus kx minus 6. 2 over x minus k equals minus kx minus 6 as line and curve intersects. Okay, so multiplying this whole equation by x, because x is in the denominator, so it will become 2 minus kx equals minus kx square minus 6x. Okay, now arrange it. Kx square plus 6x minus kx plus 2 equals 0. Kx square plus 6 minus k x plus 2 equals 0. So this is your quadratic equation. As we were being given that line intersects at two distinct points, so that means your discriminant b square minus 4ac should be greater than 0, so as to find the values of k. Okay, so let's do that. B square minus 4ac is greater than 0. So what is your b? B is 6 minus k. A is k and c is 2, greater than 0. So 6 square is 36. 36 plus k square minus 12k minus 8k greater than 0. K square minus 20k plus 36 equals, 36 greater than 0. Okay, this is your quadratic equation in k. So we need to solve it. Make the factors 36. Two numbers that when multiplied gives you, two terms that multiplied gives you 36k square, the product of outer two terms, and when added gives you minus 20. So 12 3 times is 36. So let's take that. No, that's not the factor. 18 2 times, yeah, 18 2 times is 36. So minus 18k minus 2k will give you plus 36 and minus 20k upon adding. So yeah, these are the factors. So making it k times k minus 18 minus 2 times k minus 18 greater than 0. So k minus 2 times k minus 18 greater than 0. Now how do we solve this inequality? We make any curve. What will be k equals to? K equals to 2 and k equals to 18. So your curve would be somewhere like this, 2 and 18. So this will be 2, this will be 18. Okay, now what do we have? This is your y value. Actually, this is your y equation. So what is this suggesting? That y is greater than 0. So for which part your y values are greater than 0? This part y is greater than 0 and this part y is greater than 0. So now write the inequality for this. So k is less than 2 and k should be greater than 18. Okay, so this is how you get the range of values of k. Okay, range of the possible values of k. So this is your question number 7. First you sketched, then you find the x and y intercepts, then you had a line that intersects the curve at 2 points, so you equated it, put the b square minus 4ac equals to 0, greater than 0 as for 2 points. 2 points. Okay, and then we solve the quality like this, made the factors for the quadratic equation, and then find the region for which we will get the possible values of k. So this is all about your question 7.